In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the background color in your Shopify Sense theme, ensuring your online store looks exactly as you envision. To get started, head over to your Shopify admin dashboard, which is the central hub for managing your store. Once there, you'll want to navigate to where all the magic happens for your store's appearance, the Online Store section. Under this, you'll find the Themes tab. This is where you can view and manage all the themes associated with your Shopify store. Once you're in the Themes area, look for your current active theme, the Sense theme. This is important because the settings we're about to adjust will specifically apply to this theme. Click on Customize. This opens a new world of design possibilities, as it allows you to modify various aspects of your store in real time. In the Theme Editor interface, you'll notice a sidebar to the left. Here, you'll want to focus on Theme Settings. This is represented by a gear icon, making it easier to locate. The Theme Settings section is where you can alter general design elements like colors, typography, and more. When you're in Theme Settings, pay close attention to the Colors section. This is where you can adjust the entire color palette of your store, making it more cohesive with your brand's aesthetics. Within the Colors section, you'll find the Schemes area. These schemes represent preset color combinations, so each one corresponds to different parts or moods of your store. You might see options like Scheme 1, Scheme 2, and so on. Choose the scheme that you want to modify according to your preference. This selection dictates where your changes will take place, so choose wisely to ensure consistency across your site. Within the chosen scheme, locate the color field labeled Background or Background Gradient. This is where you set the visual tone for your store, as the background can significantly affect the customer experience. Click on the color field, and you'll be able to choose a new color that resonates with your brand or the specific vibe you want to convey. This change will dynamically alter how your store looks with just this simple adjustment. After setting your desired color, it's crucial to save your changes. But we're not done yet. Before you finalize everything, navigate through the different sections of your store in the Theme Editor. This is a crucial step because in the Sense theme, each section has the ability to use a different color scheme. By visiting each section, you can ensure that it aligns with your newly chosen color scheme, maintaining a consistent and professional appearance throughout your site. Once you've verified that everything is in place and looks just right, go ahead and hit that Save button. Your changes will be applied, and your Shopify store will now reflect the aesthetic upgrades you've made. Your new background color will set the stage for your brand story, ensuring a visually pleasing experience for all visitors. Enjoy your newly refreshed Shopify store.